storms were located along a line extending from Greater Greens Point to west of Bunker Hill, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. There is still some rotation associated with these storms we are monitoring. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Humble, Hunters Creek Village, Bunker Hill Village, Piney Point Village, Aldine, North Side, or North Line, Spring Branch North, Greater Greens Point, Spring Branch West, Spring Valley, Northwestern Greater Heights, Western Memorial Park, Eastern Eldridge, or West Oaks, Afton Oaks, or River Oaks area, Southeastern Attucks Park 10, Headwood Village, Hillshire Village, Spring Branch East, Spring Branch Central and Central Northwest. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.